The Dreo fan for whole room offers exceptional performance with its 70 feet powerful airflow, making it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance air circulation in various room settings. Designed with a modern touch, this black table fan from Dreo boasts a sleek look that complements any environment seamlessly. The fan's corded electric power source ensures consistent and reliable operation, ideal for extended use in spaces such as offices, kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, and even children's nurseries. This versatility makes it a practical addition to any household, providing cooling, ventilating, and drying functions effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Dreo fan is its remote-controlled capability, allowing users to conveniently adjust settings from a distance. The inclusion of a timer further enhances its usability, enabling users to program the fan to operate according to their schedule. With an adjustable tilt of 120 degrees and oscillating function,